In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write chemical equations in Microsoft Word. Writing chemical equations may seem tricky at first, but with the right tools in Word, you can create professional and accurate representations of chemical reactions with ease. Whether you are a student, teacher, or working in a scientific field, knowing how to properly format chemical equations is essential. To start, open a new Word document. Once your document is ready, decide on the chemical equation you want to write. For demonstration purposes, we'll work with a sample equation. Begin by typing out the chemical formula as plain text. Next, you'll need to convert the numerical values indicating the number of atoms in each molecule into subscripts. To do this, select the numbers while holding down the Control key, and then apply the subscript formatting using the subscript option in Word. This ensures your chemical formula follows proper scientific notation, such as H2O or CO2. Now, let's move on to inserting a reversible reaction symbol, which looks like a double-headed arrow, double arrow. Go to the Insert tab and click on the Equation button within the Symbol panel. This will open the Equation Tools Design tab, which contains all the options you need to construct your chemical equation. Inside the Design tab, select the Matrix option and choose a 3x1 empty matrix. This setup allows you to position reactants, products, and the reaction arrow neatly. Click on the third box in the matrix and press the spacebar to leave room for the products. Then select the second box for the arrow. Click on the More button in the Symbols panel and navigate to the Arrows section. Choose the reversible arrow symbol that fits your equation. If you want to include a delta symbol, delta, above the arrow, click on the first box and select Basic Math, then insert the increment symbol to indicate the change in the reaction. Sometimes the arrow may appear smaller compared to the surrounding text. To adjust its size, select only the arrow, right-click on it, and choose Font. Under the Advanced tab, increase the scale until it visually matches the rest of your equation, and click OK. With these steps, you now have a perfectly formatted chemical equation in Microsoft Word. This method allows you to create clear, professional-looking equations that are easy to read and understand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.